Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain about correlation analysis by using Microsoft Excel toolpack. In this video, we will learn about what is correlation analysis, types of correlation coefficient, and analysis by Excel and testing example 1 and 2. So first of all, what is correlation? We can find co and relation. So co means together and relation is connection. So correlation indicates relationship between two variables. Correlation analysis. Correlation analysis used to measure strength of the linear relationship between two variables. Correlation coefficient below indicates by R. Positive correlation. For positive correlation, high score on one variable is related to a high score on another variable. Low score on one variable is related to a low score on another variable. Correlation coefficient value is greater than 0. So the example of positive correlation, here we have to find the relationship between the number of hours spent per week studying and GPA. So now I'm solving this problem by using Microsoft Excel toolpack. So this is our data I just collected from our slide. So here you can see the three variables: students, study hours, and GPA. So student, there are number of 8 observation, that means n equal to 8, and here we can clearly see that the GPA increases as the hours increase. Now I just test the correlation coefficient and identified either is positive correlation or negative correlation. I'm using an Excel function which is equal open bracket CORREL and then again open bracket, and chose the data from variable 1 which is study hours, and then add comma, and then chose the GPA variable and then close bracket. So here we can see that the correlation coefficient value is 0.884, which is greater than 0. It's definitely a positive correlation coefficient. So negative correlation, high score on one variable is related to a low score on second variable. In negative correlation, the value of correlation coefficient must be less than 0. So here we can see an example of negative correlation. The question is, what is the relationship between the number of hours spent per week watching television and GPA? So now I'm also testing this example by using Microsoft Excel. Here we can see that students, the variable number of observation is similar 8, and television and GPA. So here we can clearly see that the GPA basically decrease as the hours increase. That means the TV is independent variable and GPA dependent variable. If any students spend more hours for watching television, he or she will get less GPA. So now I am trying to find the value of correlation coefficient equal CORREL open bracket, and chose the value from the variables TV and then add comma, and again chose the value from GPA, drag, and then close bracket, enter. So here you can see that the correlation coefficient value is negative 0.892. So it is definitely a negative correlation. Now I'm constructing a scatter plot, drag the whole data and then insert a scatter plot. So here I can clearly show that this scatter plot and the correlation analysis of the data indicates that there is a negative relationship between the number of hours spent per week watching television and GPA. In this example 1, I will solve the correlation coefficient and test the hypothesis by using Pearson technique. So there are two variables, tree height y and trunk diameter x. Now I will find the correlation coefficient value equal to CORREL bracket the values of y variable, comma, then the values of x variable at the close bracket, enter. And now for test the hypothesis, I need to find the degree of freedom, which is n minus 2, enter. So the test statistic, the formula is t equal to r divided by square root sqrt 1 minus r square divided by n minus 2 and then close the bracket and then enter. So this is the test statistic for this problem. So this is 2 tail, so we need to find alpha divided by 2, which is equal to alpha divided by 2. So this is a significant level for each tail. To find the critical value for left tail, there have an Excel function equal to t.inv open bracket and then choose the alpha by 2, add comma and degree of freedom, close bracket, enter. This is for left tail. For right tail, equal to t.inv bracket and then choose again alpha by 2, but we have to add 1 minus alpha by 2, 1 minus alpha by 2, again comma and then degree of freedom bracket, enter. So this is for the critical value for right tail. So the decision is reject H null because the significance level is less than the critical value. In this example, this is Spearman. I have to find the Spearman rank by using Spearman technique. They have given 10 contestants and also the variable score by judge A and score by judge B. So I have to find the rank. So this is ordinal. So for calculating the correlation of coefficient for ordinal number, we have to use Spearman technique. So first I have to find the rank by judge A. So they have an Excel function, so equal to rank dot avg open bracket and then choose the first number of this variable, add comma and choose as a reference, drag the whole values and again add comma, and then we can choose descending or by default. So I have to put 0 and close bracket, enter. So this is the rank. Now I want to lock the reference because of by using $, because I want to find the all rank automatically by just drag until last contestant and then click. See, this is the all rank will automatically appear. And the similar way we have to find the rank to rank.avg. Again the first value comma and then reference is all value then comma 0. Before that I have to add $, for block this reference, enter. Now I just drag down and it will automatically find. Now I have to find the difference, the rank A between the rank B, the equal to rank A minus rank B, enter. Alright, already done. Now I have to find the difference square, so equal to difference square, enter. So drag down until last contestant, done. So now we need to find the summation of difference square, so it is equal to sum in bracket all choose the values and then close bracket, enter. Here you can see the summation of the difference square is 146.5. Now we need to find the number of observation. We know here is 10, but we need to find by using Microsoft Excel function. So count and then open bracket and choose any variables and choose the all values, enter, and then done 10. Now we need to find the correlation coefficient equal to 1 minus 6 multiplied summation of d square divided by n multiplied n square minus 1, then close the bracket, done. So this is our test equal to 0.112121. Now we need to find the test statistic for extra example. So there have been extra formula t equal to r divided by square root 1 minus r square divided by n minus 2. So I already write the equation before. Now I just copy and paste here. Will automatically find the test statistic value equal to 0.319139. So that's it for example to find any rank by using spearmint technique.